Hi folks, thanks for joining me. Thursday the 2nd of December and it's nearly midday here in the UK. So I'm doing an update for my £2,000 trading account. If you're only joining me for the first time on this particular series of videos, last Monday, a week and a half ago, I started trading a £2,000 account to try to show particularly people who are coming, traders, people who want to become traders, who want to start trading. Maybe you've been trading a demo account, you're getting a bit more serious and you want to look at a real money account. So I've decided to trade a £2,000 real money account, show you kind of how I plan my trades, how I execute my trades, how I manage them, the discipline that's required, the patience, the analysis. I'm try and fit everything in and give you an idea of what is achievable if you structure things properly and manage your account correctly. So as I said, £2,000 is where I started last week. Now I'm just going to try and move this around. There we go. Right, this is where I need to be. Right, £2,000 where I started. I'm now up £3,258.50, which is something in the region of 63% profit in, I think that's 7 trading days, which I think is pretty good. I have been extremely lucky because the markets have been incredibly volatile. So my philosophy is to risk 1% per trade, but obviously with the way things are at the moment, I can be making 4 or 5% on a trade, sometimes a bit more. So this is an exceptional time. I'm not sure if these conditions will continue. I certainly hope so. I don't normally trade stock markets actually, but I have been trading stock markets because of course they're moving around. I think the S&P had a 150 pip range yesterday, which has been as 3%. That's unheard of for a very, very long time. But I'm taking full advantage of it. So here's some of the trades here's all the trades I've done. So you can see every single trade was a winner, which is obviously nice. Particularly because when I first started last week on the Monday, I think I had more losers than winners. I still made a profit because I managed my risk, because I was only risking 1% per trade. So even if I had 60% losers, which is not normal for me at all, I still came out with a profit because the winners were making 2-3%. But now obviously things are different and I've made money on every single trade. So the best trade, I'm up £538, which is obviously pretty big. What is that in terms of profit? That's actually a 25% profit on one trade. Now, again, not normal, but I kind of knew, I kind of felt that the market would top out. That was my resistance level, 46.50, 46.60, and I had a target of 45.00, 45.05, 44.95. That was my buy level. Now I didn't buy it last night because I bagged that big profit and I was going to bed. I didn't see any point in trying to buy to trade while I was asleep. So I left it. You've got to be happy with £538 on one trade. And when you consider that there was lots of trades with like nearly 2%, 2%, 2%, 2%, 1%, 1.5%. This is 4%, 2%, 2%, 2%, 2.5%. So the trades did pretty well. I took profit on these trades quicker than I would have done. I didn't even let them run to my target, but I just ended up with so many trades on that it just got all a bit too much for me. And I just thought a lot of these would all kind of work if the stock markets came down. And I just thought, right, because I was short oil, for example. I was long the yen and along the dollar, which are safe haven positions. So I needed the stock markets to fall really. So in effect, I felt that I was kind of short stock market just across the board. And that was why I was taking profits quite quickly, just to narrow down my risk. Anyway, as you can see, I'm up quite a significant amount of money. Now, I've got my trades in for today, but I haven't executed any of those trades yet because they're quite wide parameters. Okay, so why did I do some of these trades? Here's the NASDAQ. I talked about this head and shoulders pattern during the week. We retested what I thought was probably the peak of the right shoulder. For my subscribers, I had that as a sell level, so I certainly wasn't the only person selling into that level. My subscribers did well. Break of the neckline, that confirms the head and shoulders pattern. So I was very happy. And this was my big support level yesterday. And so I was happy to take my profit down there in the NASDAQ. It held perfectly. It's a big confluence of Fibonacci support levels, which is why I bought there. And now I'm going to wait for the next development. I probably will be a seller on some strength. Anyway, my orders are already in. I can't run through all the orders today, but obviously my subscribers are in there with their orders as well. But that is certainly a big support level. So if you're trading the NASDAQ, watch out for that sort of 15,850 area as today's big support level. You saw that yesterday. You saw on my orders, actually, I think I pointed out to you that the S&P I sold around 46.50. This is my resistance level, and as you can see here, that was actually yesterday's high. So pick the high of the day perfectly, watch the market collapse. I thought we would break this support level this time. That was my first big support level. Even that was 100 points lower. So that alone would have been a mega profit on that trade. But I decided to run it further because I thought we'd break that. I think I've been saying that all week, and that we would test the next big support level, which we did. So I bought it a few points above there just to make sure I managed to get out of the trade in time. Now you can see that this resistance level around 45.5 has held today. I actually wanted to try to sell that there today, but it didn't quite get to my level. It's topped out just below where I was trying to sell. Who knows, it might revisit that later on in the day, but right now I don't have a position on. Okay, I'll just run through a couple of FX trades. The Aussie dollar had a really nice resistance level up here around 71.70, 71.80. That short worked really, really nicely, as you can see. And then the New Zealand dollar also had a nice resistance level, same sort of thing. It was a fib level that I'd chosen. I managed to just get into that one in time because we didn't quite hit the resistance level, but I just sold it immediately. I saw that level on my report. When I wrote my report, I was going to try and sell a little bit more on further strength, but I never got the chance. Aussie yen, that was also a really nice sell at around 81.20, I think it was. Let's have a look at that. Yeah, 81. Well, I had 81.30, 81.50. We just kissed that one. Actually, no, I had 81.40, 81.60 is my sell level. If I remember correctly, we went to 81.47. Yeah, we did. So again, that worked beautifully. I got out of those trades too early. I had a feeling we would retest the support level, but as I said, I had too many trades which were kind of relying on stock market weakness. Again, yen strengthening on that, so I was too concerned. Big support level down there, and it is holding as well. So I don't know whether we'll just continue to range around there. If we do, that's fine. 100 to 150 pip range for me is more than enough of a decent strategy, so I'll keep trading that one. Okay, I can't go through all the trades. I'll be here all day. But as you can see, I'm building that account nicely. We're up, I think I said 63% so far. We'll see if I can get a trade on today. If we can, I'll give you an update tomorrow, and we'll see if I've managed to make any more money, and hopefully I won't blow anything before the weekend. So I am being cautious. I'm only going to wait for the good trades. If I don't get to trade today, I'm not bothered. I'll just be patient. Thanks for following me. Please do me a favor if you're enjoying this. Please like, please share, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I'm always looking forward to your comments in the comments box below. Thanks very much.